first day here in Encarnacion. 4 days left to go. Tough, tricky day. So on the first race I was in a good position, and I made a bit of a mistake where I hit a bush in the water and it got stuck under my boat, and lost a lot of places with that, and eventually I got it off. So I finished 8th in the first race. Second race, off to a better start, was in second position for a big period of time, and it's very close racing in this fleet, so everybody's very close to each other, and that makes it very fun and interesting. Lost a bunch of places in the second upwind because we had a lot of current here, and I had to kind of manage that, and finished 7th. Hopefully it might still improve a bit because we have a lot of protests also coming up. So let's see, hopefully a better day tomorrow, and 4 days left, so a lot can still happen. And yeah, happy that we got 2 races in, and let's make the best out of it for the remaining 4 days.